back to another video. I'm Tom and today we're going to be making the most delicious ginger spiced honeycomb coated in dark chocolate. Now if that sounds good to you, stick around for the rest of the video.
Time for a love potion, a little sweet and spice. Throw it all in a cauldron, mix it up real nice. Fire in my eyes, stir counterclockwise. I dream of you all night. Feel with the emotion, follow the signs. With this love potion, you will be all mine. I'm pulling you closer to me. You're finding it harder to breathe. The magic is taking over your mind entirely. I'm the only one that you see. I got what you want, what you need. Before you know it, you are falling deep in love with me. Little sweet spice. Made a love potion for you. Little sweet spice. Made a love potion for you. This is the moment, no turning back. One drop on your lips and the spell will take effect. Under the moonlight, stay close to my side. We're burning so bright. Oh, 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 oh. Feel the emotion, follow the signs. With this love potion, you will be all mine. I'm pulling you closer to me. You're finding it harder to breathe. The magic is taking over your mind entirely. I'm the only one that you see. I got what you want, what you need. Before you know it, you are falling deep in love with me. Little sweet spice. Made a love potion for you. Hey, yeah. Little sweet spice. Yeah. Made a love potion for you. Feel the emotion, follow the signs. With this love potion, you will be all mine. Feel the emotion, follow the signs. With this.
That's how you make the most delicious ginger spiced honeycomb coated in dark chocolate. Now if you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much. Please do give it a little thumbs up, and if you're new here, hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell because I release new recipe videos every single week. You don't want to miss them. I'll see you in the next video.
Mix it up real nice. Fire in my eyes, stir counterclockwise. I dream of you all night.